are you doing? I hope you are doing well. My name is Ardine Athalia Christian, and you can call me Ardine. And then in this video, I will tell you about the two topics. The first one about the human design, my human design, and the secondly about the how to make a plan for a holiday trip for a holiday. Okay, the first one, human design. Human design, you're given specific tools to thrive and function based on what gives you motivation and how you make a decision. And then my type energy is manifesting generator, the multi-hyphenate. That means multi-passion, people who are here to do and accomplish many diverse things. And then about the way, three ways my this first strategy is responding, and then not seldom is frustration, and the gift, my important gift is the need to have revelation. And then we will go to the next about the make a step plan for holiday. The first, there's any three steps for me. There is step one is determine. Step 2 is ensure, and step 3 is paying. Determine. Determine is you should be determine the holiday, the whole all aspect about the holiday, about how many time, how many days, how many people, who they are, and then how many the place you will go into, and then he's with determine about the accommodation, about the restaurant, about the accommodation in here and in there, so many things. Then ensure, you should be ensure it's by it's. You should be ensure about the place, there is any place in there, there is accommodation in there is any hotel in there, and there is like a same about the capacity. And then the third is paying. You can paying only several percent or several percent, and then every already finish and you can finish it out. Okay, that is my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is help. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.